Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to quickly convert a YouTube video into text. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Sometimes you might want a YouTube video in written form, maybe for notes, quotes, or just easier reading. Here's how you can do it. First, open the video you want to use. I'll use a guide video as an example, but this works with any video. Scroll down to the description box and click to expand it. Now go all the way to the bottom, and you'll see an option called Show Transcript. When you click it, YouTube will open up the transcript, the exact text of everything said in the video. In the top right corner of the transcript window, you'll notice 3 dots. Click on those and choose Toggle Timestamps if you want the text without time markers. From there, simply click and drag to highlight the transcript. Once you've selected it all, right-click, choose Copy, and then paste it wherever you want, whether it's a document, Notes app, or anywhere else. And that's it. You've successfully converted a YouTube video into text.